Hey guys, what's going on? So I want to show you how you can make $1,500 in a single day. This isn't difficult, it's fairly easy to do. All you have to do is put in a little work. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $1,500 in one day doing something that you probably already know how to do. So let me read you this email that I was corresponding with somebody back and forth, and I'm going to explain kind of what it means. So it says, Deal. I just can't wait any longer and need this done. We don't have any presence online and don't know what to do. You don't know how big of a help this will be to our business. Let me know where to send the $1,500 and I'll send it over. So what I'm doing right here, let me explain, because you're probably wondering why somebody send me $1,500. The reason why somebody send me $1,500 is because I'm going to set up a bunch of stuff for them. Let me show you what I'm talking about. These are the things I'm going to do for their business, okay? Here's the reason why it's important. This is a lawn care business. This is not some lawyer. This isn't a chiropractor. This isn't a online entrepreneur or whatever. This is a lawn care business. They don't have anything online. All they've been doing is handing out flyers. Okay, this isn't the first person I've done this for. Okay? I've done this for a person they do tree trimming. Most of the people that I do this for are small businesses. The reason why is because I like to set them up, get them going, and then kind of push them out there on their own. It's not something I want to keep on doing month after month, but honestly, it's something you could do. You set them up and then put them on a monthly payment of $500 or $1,000 every single month, recurring, and you can just keep making money from the same clients. You don't gotta go over and get more. So here's what I'm gonna do, and you can do this exact same thing. In just a second, I'm gonna actually tell you how I got this client, how I secured this client. It's actually pretty simple. So what I'm going to do, first thing I'm going to do is create a Facebook ad, and I'm going to build them an audience. And all I'm going to do is go in and target their location, okay, and kind of pick out a few things doing Facebook ads, very simple things, okay? That's one of the things I'm going to do. Second thing, they don't even have an Instagram account, so I'm going to create an Instagram account, and I'm going to build a video. I'm going to create this video, but I'm going to build the advertisement for them, and just kind of push it out there, just so people see them, you got to be seen. If you're a local business, if you're watching this and maybe you have a local business, you have a small business, you have to be seen. It doesn't matter what it is you do. It doesn't matter what industry, what business you're in. You have to be seen if you want to make any money. Third thing I'm going to do, and probably one of the most important things, I'm going to create a sales funnel using ClickFunnels. Yes, I'm going to create an actual sales funnel for them. I'm going to put the whole page together. The Facebook ads probably take me, I'd say, an hour to do, and I'll come back and update it probably a week after that. The Instagram account, this whole thing is probably take me another hour and a half to do, because I'm also going to do 9 posts to kind of fill up the top. Then create a sales funnel. That's going to take me the longest. I'll probably spend about 2 to 3 hours on that. Okay, and like I was saying, $1,500 in one day. I consider a day 8 hours. Okay, I'm just going to do this all for them. So was it an hour, like an hour and a half, so 2.5 hours, 3 hours, so 5.5 hours right there. The Facebook post and pictures, I'm just gonna go grab random pictures just off the internet, and I'm gonna do it so that every day, there's gonna be a new post. There's actually gonna be 2. I'm gonna do it for 30 days, okay? So I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna run a Facebook ad to the funnel for 15 days. The reason why I'm gonna do that is because you need to get traffic in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to target the city that they are from, okay, and the very small surrounding areas. They're pretty small companies, so I'm going to target the main city that they're from. That's pretty much it. Target homeowners because they're a lawn care company. That's pretty much it, okay. Probably elderly people or more elderly people, probably 40 and older, but that's what I'm going to target, okay. The reason why this is so important is because it's easy. Once you know how to do it, once you know how to do a Facebook ad, once you know how to do anything with Instagram, once you know how to maybe create a YouTube video or put together a website. In my case, I'm actually create a funnel using ClickFunnels, and through that, the people that come in, give their email address, they can actually do get a discount. So they'll get a 15% off discount on their first I don't know, lawn care treatment, or I'm not sure what you call it. Again, I'm not in that space, but I know how to advertise. I know how to do that. So that's one of the things I'm gonna do. $1,500 in one day, and I'm gonna come back in probably about 5 to 7 days in and kind of retweak some stuff. Just make sure they're on the right path and they're good to go. So how did I secure this client? How did I secure somebody that's going to pay me $1,500 to do this? Honestly, I could have probably charged more if I added more to it, but this is all they need. This is all they need, okay? And this right here, I'm actually going to get a recurring commission for this because I actually sent them my ClickFunnels affiliate ID, so they went over, signed up for that, good to go. So that's going to be a decent commission from that. So I'm going to get a little bit from that as well. So one of the things I did when I first started is I just asked around, and by asking around I mean all online, not word of mouth, knocked on the door. But all I did was I went on to I don't remember the site's name. Anyway, I don't remember the site's name, but you go on there, you type in the location that you're at, and you click on one of the buttons. Maybe you're looking for lawyers or attorneys or CPAs or chiropractors or doctors or whatever. Okay. And this website pulls up all the email addresses. All I have to do is select all those email addresses, import them in, and send out just a mass email to all those people saying, hey, this is who I am, this is what I do. If you need any help getting your small business up and running, this is my specialty. And yeah, that's it. Serious. That is all I had to do. If you know what the website is I'm talking about, I'm having like a little brain fart right now, but if you know what the website is, comment down below. Let people know. Well, if you want to. It's honestly, it's not a secret. You can look online. You can probably find it. If I remember it, I'll put a link to that in the description box below, or at least the name of it. So at least you can go check it out if you want to. But that's all you have to do. Okay? And if you don't know how to run Facebook ads, don't run Facebook ads. If you don't know how to build an Instagram account, I'm guessing you do. I'm guessing you have one. But if you don't know how to build a sales funnel, don't add that into the package. Change that. If you don't know how to create a Facebook ad and just a simple audience, I would go and learn how to do that. It'll probably take you 1 to 2 hours to learn how to do that, and you could probably do one, just bang it out right there. Instagram account, build a video. It doesn't have to be that complicated. You can take pictures, you can take videos, you can take stuff that they've done. And this is one of the things I'm doing, is the guy's wife has actually taken a bunch of videos on lawns they've done, like de-weeding, they've done like bark treatments and rock treatments and all this cool stuff. Okay, she's taking videos of it, and so I'm just gonna take all those video clips and some pictures and just kind of edit them together, and that's it. Like I said, about an hour and a half to do that. Okay, so if you don't know how to do something, just pick and choose what stuff you want to offer, what stuff you don't know how to do, what stuff you don't feel comfortable doing. Take that stuff out and just include the stuff you know how to do, because honestly, this $1,500, it's great. You're going to be able to pay for some stuff. Awesome. But for a lot of people, $1,500 in even $1,500 in 1 week. Let's say it took you 1 week to do all this. $1,500 in 1 week, that is $6,000 a month. Most people will never make $6,000 in a single month. I'm showing you how to do that. Okay, I'm telling you, this is all you need to do. When I say this is all you need to do, there's a little bit to it, because obviously you gotta write the email, send it out to all those people. But I do it it's just mass. But you can send it out one by one. Go to get a Google account or a Gmail account and send out emails one by one, and hopefully somebody will send something back. Okay, and that's all you gotta do. You can even hire a virtual assistant to do that for you, send out all the emails for you, and when you get something back, then you really just hone in and talk to that person. I probably spent, back and forth with Steven, I probably spent, I don't know, oops, there we go. I probably, wrong one. We probably went back and forth maybe 18 times, so I probably spent about a half an hour writing emails back and forth to him. But still, $1,500, that's the thing. Okay, I'm not saying this is everyone's gonna be able to make $1,500. I'm not saying you couldn't, but what I'm saying is the possibilities are out there. Go find small companies, not big, not Nike, not Walmart, small companies that don't have an online presence, just like they don't. Find a small company and give them just everything you can. Get them to agree to commit to, let me help you build your business. I'm not just doing this to make $1,500. The reason I'm doing this is to show people that it's possible, that you can do this. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to be a marketing expert. All you need to do is have the basics down, because honestly, the basics are going to get these small businesses started, going to give them a presence online, a good foundation that they can build on. Okay, so have any questions, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you out any way that I can. But like I said, just start sending out emails, just ask around. If you know any small business owners, ask them, do you have a Facebook page? Do you have an Instagram account? Do you have a Snapchat? Do you have a Pinterest account? Do you need help bringing in more customers? Do you want to build an email list? They're all going to ask you, well, what's an email list? You tell them, this is what an email list does. This is how you get automated customers into the door, into your funnel. You want an endless funnel. If you don't have an endless funnel of customers as a small business owner, you will eventually dry up your customer base, the people that you have around you. And then what do? Just close up shop, quit? Decide, oh, I'm bankrupt, time to go work at Walmart? No, you don't do that. Not as an entrepreneur. As an entrepreneur, you find a way. You find a way to create an endless funnel of traffic, of new customers, new potential customers, and go from there. So hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next video.